What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries. Mega love sa mga ka-Jeromantics. We're back for another reaction video for Jerome Ebardome. At ito ang isa sa pinaka inaabangan kong performance na kapag meron siya mga performance, ang rendition niya ng Bridge Over Troubled Water. Yes, favorite natin to. Kaya naman, I wanted to see his new version of this song. But before I proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Naalala ko, natin to sa Who Sang It Better, diba? With Sean Kush. Kung hindi niya papanood, guys, look at that video sa Truly Asia Diaries. Yung mga ka-Jeromantics na nandito, comment down below. That low tone, no? Grabe, I love it.
I'm on your side. When times get rough.
Love that low tone.
And friendships can be found like a bridge over troubled water.
Very smooth. Very smooth, such an orgasm listening to him singing this song. Every time he sings it, like, you can feel the genuine heartfelt emotion ng song. Grabe, and that low tone was exquisite, guys. Nagkalaman talaga ang Jerome, ha? Parang nag-gym na siya today.
When you're on the street.
Love the facing. Hey! Ooh, love that. Ooh. Love the dynamics. Grabe, overflowing of emotion at talaga naman feel natin the way that he's singing it. Parang nakaka-relate, no? It's very relatable the way that he's saying it. Like, it sings from the heart. Ganon yung feels, guys. Yung nararamdaman, di ba? Comment down below. Lalo na yung mga nakanood ng live. Hey! Kung nanood kayo ng live, guys, share your experience in the comment section. Love that. Hey! Ay! Uy, gusto ko yun. Gusto ko yung part na yun, guys. Balikan natin yung rips and runs na yun. Love it! Oh, that is so good. Siyempre, balikan natin. We cannot miss that one, guys. Balikan natin yung experience. Love that scooping note. We call that scooping note. Hey! Hey, love that vocal flair. Hey! Oh my God! There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Ebardome performing Bridge Over Troubled Water. Grabe. Every time that he's singing this, I had goosebumps. I can feel the emotion. It's very soothing. Such an orgasm listening to Jerome singing this kind of song. Tapos, heartfelt and relatable, guys. And I love that styling, no? Grabe yung pag-scoop ng note. Tawag doon ay scoop note. Para sa akin lang yun, guys. Kasi parang i-scoop niyang ganyan na talaga namang iba ang kanyang vocal technique and dynamics. Plus, that high tone vocal flair sa ending. Grabe. You can feel such emotion. Grabe. I love the performance at talaga naman he sang it better as always. Itong Bridge Over Troubled Water. What can you say about that performance, guys? You can comment down below at pag-usapan natin yan sa comment section. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Lace Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.